back. I'm currently playing Roblox, as you can see. I'm playing Void Fishing, I think it's called. Anyways, in this game, all you gotta do is fish into the void and see what you get. Should I keep this, guys? Yeah, keep it. Let's go ahead and fish again. Look at this dude. This dude has good stuff. Paintball gun. Let's sell the cardboard. Let's quickly... Where? I look ridiculous. But for now, I'm gonna upgrade my luck. And... No. My efficiency. Actually, we're just gonna display this and take this off. Let's go ahead and fish again. I got a bowling pin. Not that good, so let's sell it. And fish again. Oh, shard, no. So, I have enough to upgrade my luck again. Items. Sadly, I used up all of my Robux, so I can't buy the things. So, best thing I can do is just this. Anyways, let's keep fishing. Toilet paper. Let's sell that. Old plank, also sell. If you guys want me to continue this game, please like and subscribe. Ooh, that looks cool, but I'm selling it. What the hell? What is going on? What is all this? So, let's go ahead and cast again. Upgrade my efficiency again. Sell the soda can because that's junk, and go again. Stupid junk. I actually didn't have a look what's around. What's in here? Oh, this is just a store. What's over here? Is this like a part where you can just like go to different... What's this? 100 quests complete required. Must be... Oh no! Oh good. What's this thing? Oh well. Let's go have a look at the quests. Abyss Roses... Active? None. Alright, good. Triple up. Auto fish for 3 hours. I'm not gonna do that. Open 25 troughs. Eats 50 snacks. Catch 30 bonus items. No. Most of these are too hard for me right now. So I'm just gonna stick to casting. Oh my goodness. I can't believe I got that. That's cool. Oh, don't have to... Let's display. Which means now, let's sell this. Let's cast again. What the hell? Yeah, let's sell. Oh, that means we can upgrade these again. Oh, not enough. Damn it. Alright, let's fish. definitely sell that. Not enough yet. Yeah, definitely sell. Oh, there's a spoon. Comically large spoon. Oh, that's hilarious. Sell that. Yep, definitely sell this. Sell this. I'm only looking for higher things. Yep, definitely sell. Don't need toilet paper. Sell. 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 Sell and sell. Ooh. Sell. Sell and sell. I'll be selling a lot of things, so just be patient. Whoa, what the hell just happened? So, oh my god, hold on. Look. Sell all. That's the way to go, guys. Just continue fishing and sell all the items at once. Ooh. Let's go. Two new things. Yeah, no, just leave that alone. Ooh, a skull. Okay, don't really care about these things. A lever? More toilet paper. Alright, let's continue fishing. A banana peel? Cool. Ooh, that's cool. How much money do you think I'm gonna get out of this? I reckon like over $200, $300. Sorry. Let me refute, is that over 3,000? Shh! Shut up! Go away! Go away! Oh, I can't do that because let's sell all. Oh my god, I just got a lot of money. Oh, I just ran out of money. Anyways, let's continue going, guys. Go away. Go away. Alright, let's just quickly sell these. Upgrade this again. Alright, so if you want me to try and get... Oops. Ah! What this dude has, the 79 mil. Please like and subscribe, because I want to try and beat some people. So if you want to see me play this game more often, please like, subscribe, and comment that you want this game to continue. Alright, thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye!